I'm back. Did you miss me? Long time no see. After a crazy amount of time away, my family and I are now nestled all the way down here in the hot-ass swamp fuck of Florida. We're currently redecorating and remodeling room by room, working on the gardens, property, and documenting everything as we go. It's only been 2 fucking years, but I digress. My beauty room is complete, which means I will be filming a beauty room tour and a current makeup collection, and that should be the next video I upload here very, very soon. Briefly, I have created another channel. I have been documenting the whole process since we moved in, so there will be quite a bit of content on that channel coming soon. I will be filming and vlogging and doing more lifestyle, personal things, DIY, room makeovers, cooking, tours of the house and the property, and all that homey good shit. Just so that I can keep this channel strictly makeup, content, / beauty drama, or anything else that's happening in the beauty community. I love my channel, and I love and adore the beauty community. And as most of you know, I'm not a stranger to speaking out about all that shady bullshit that comes with it. With that being said, I'm always going to do makeup content here, especially dupes, reviews, favorites, shitty products, but occasionally I'm going to need to open my mouth and call out the fuckery that's still so prevalent on this side of the internet. For years, I was able to insert my opinions and my research in a collaborative effort with my best friend Sam, or as some of you know, here for the tea. Some of you also know that she is no longer with us. I always kind of knew I'd be back, but I never thought it would be back without her here. And after many conversations with her sister Lisa, she and I both agreed that the best way to honor Sam and honor what she would have wanted me to do is to come back and do what I love to do and what we love to do together. Most importantly, call out all the bullshit and the wrongdoing that goes on in this community. And without a doubt, above all else, she would want me to be looking out for her viewers, my viewers, and consumers who often are ignored and used for the sole purpose of lining creators' wallets. So that's what I'm going to do. And I hope she's cheering me on and watching me and calling me a stupid bitch for not doing it sooner. This channel will not be turning into a drama channel, but it will be makeup content with a twist inside of tea. With that being said, I do have a drama video that's coming very soon. I'm in the middle of editing it now. And then after that, we'll get back to some makeup content. I have a beauty room tour coming up, a makeup collection video as well. I do want to do some live streams, so if you're down for that, let me know down below. I am in the middle of duping all of JACLYN Hill Cosmetics, and I will be updating my JEFFREE Star Cosmetic dupe video as well. So I have quite a bit lined up, and I'm excited for it. If there's anything makeup related that you want to see, let me know below. If you have any ideas, thoughts, opinions, you know where to write them. I will see you soon. I will give you a little hint. It is a part 2 to Sam's affiliate codes and sponsorship series. I hope you're here for the long haul. I know I am. I've missed you all so much. I love you guys, and I will see you really, really soon. Bye.